Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this online English class. Children, hope you all are doing well. I'm your English teacher, Srilata ma'am. Children, what is English? Like Hindi, English is a language that is used to communicate with each other. In order to learn a language, the knowledge of its grammar is a must. Hence, we must learn topic-wise rules also. So, kids, we will start with our first grammar topic today. Can you tell me how many letters are there in English language? Yes, there are 26 alphabets in English language. Now we are going to do a small exercise. Look at these letters, children. Can you try to rearrange these letters? Children, did you get the answers? I hope you got the answers. When we rearrange them, we get orange, school, and flower. What are they called? They are called words. What are they called? They are called words. A word is made up of a group of letters that has a meaning. A word is made up of a group of letters that has a meaning. Move to another exercise. Children, look at the words on the screen. Grass eat cows. Do they make any sense? No, they do not. So let's try to put them in a proper order. Try reading it now. Cows eat grass. Now it makes sense. This is called a sentence. This is called a sentence. So children, our first topic in grammar is sentence. Our first topic in grammar is sentence. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense or meaning. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense or meaning. For example, a peacock dances in the rain. My shoes have blue laces. Let's understand the topic through one more exercise. Read the following sentences and tick the ones that make complete sense. The car. Is it complete? No, it is not. So it is not a sentence. It is not a sentence. The watch working. Does it make any sense? No, it is not complete. Third one, the baker made fresh bread. Yes, it is complete in meaning. So it is a sentence. Father to school. This is also an incomplete sentence. Aunt Rina is tall. This makes complete sense. So it is a sentence. Let us discuss the rules of a sentence. There are 3 rules to remember when we write a sentence. First one, a sentence always makes a sense. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Third one, all sentences have a doing word, that is a verb. Children, in your previous class, you have learned about doing or action words and helping verbs like is, am, are. Do you remember? Yes, very good.
Gul, Jojo and Hop are very excited. They come rushing up to Crow wanting to tell him something. But they are so excited that they all speak at the same time, trying to describe what they have just seen by the pond. Gul says, "We just saw a strange, colorful..." Jojo interrupts saying, "He had such bright..." Hop joins in saying, "I have never ever..." Crow tells them to calm down. Crow tells them to complete their sentences so he can understand what they mean. They begin speaking again. Gul says, "We just saw a strange, colorful creature." Jojo adds, "He had such bright colors on his body." And Hop says, "I have never ever seen anything like it before." Crow now understands what they are saying. He tells them he will go with them to try and solve this mystery. But he has one condition. He will be the one to speak to this creature. And he will ask questions to find out what it is. They find the strange, colorful thing near the pond. Crow says, "Oh, colorful creature, we have never seen anything like you. Can you run faster than Gul?" The creature nods. Then Crow asks, "Can you jump higher than Jojo?" The creature nods again. Finally, Crow asks, "Can you swim faster than Hop?" The creature nods, jumps into the pond and starts swimming away. But look at this. As it swims, its pretty colors wash off and everyone sees that the creature is Popo. They call him back. Popo explains that he stumbled into a puddle of paint and became all colorful. So he thought he would fool his friends. "You are a naughty boy," says Hop. "I knew it was you," says Gul. "What a waste of time," says Crow. "You could never fool me," says Jojo. "Come on," says Popo. "Pull me out of the water now." The story has given us examples of the 3 different types of sentences. A simple sentence is a statement or idea. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. We just saw a strange, colorful creature. A question sentence is a question and asks for information. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Are you stronger than Gul? An exclamatory sentence conveys a strong feeling or emotion. It starts with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation mark. "You are a naughty boy" is an example of an exclamatory sentence. We will learn more about these sentences in the next units.
Children, what did we learn from the video? Let's do a quick recap. We learned that there are 3 types of sentences. There are 3 types of sentences. Sentences are 3 types. First one, statements, questions, interjections, exclamations or exclamations. Statements, questions, exclamations. Types of sentences. The first one is statements. Statements always begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Statements always begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Second one, sentences that ask us something and end with a question mark are called question sentences or questions. What is the second one? Sentences that ask us something and end with a question mark are called question sentences or questions. Third one, a group of words which express a sudden feeling is called an interjection or an exclamatory sentence. It always ends with an exclamation mark. It always ends with an exclamation mark. Here are a few more examples to understand the concept better. The first one, statements. This is Sheila's house. Sheila's mother is a doctor. In these sentences, begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Examples for questions. What is the color of Sheila's dress? How old is Sheila? These sentences are questions. So, they are ending with a question mark. They are ending with a question mark. Is so pretty. Hey, don't pluck the flowers. These sentences are exclamatory sentences. So, they are ending with an exclamatory mark. They are ending with an exclamatory mark. So children, I hope the concept is clear to you. Here I am enclosing a worksheet for practice related to today's topic. Look at this worksheet, kids. The first question, look at the following group of words. Tick those groups that form complete sense and cross the ones that don't. Second question, rearrange the words given below to form meaningful sentences. The third question, put full stop, question mark or exclamation mark at the end of each sentence. Children, you have to do this work in your purchased English grammar notebook. Thank you.